What's up, guys? S685 here. I'm taking apart a Nintendo GameCube controller. I'm not sure why, I just felt like it would be fun, so it's another one I've never done before, so I'm just going to take it apart. So for this, just like in most Nintendo things that you want to take apart, you're going to need these two screwdrivers. This is a Phillips and a tri-wing. The set will be in a link in the description. So on the outside here, there's a tri-wing in here, 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 and here. So that's a total of 6. So I'm going to go ahead and take those out. Ooh, they're really easy. Bonus. Also, I am not responsible for any damages to your controller. I know it's annoying to hear that every time I make a video, but I have to say it, otherwise I can get sued, so I'm not responsible for any damages. This is just a tutorial showing you how to do it. Alright, so now I've gotten all those screws out. I'm not sure which way this comes off here. There you go. So here's the back. These are your L&R buttons. Put that off to the side. And now we're looking at the actual controller. So that's the rumble pack. There's one ginormous rumble pack, not 2 like most controllers, but that's fine. Looks like this just pulls off here and then lifts right up. So those are your buttons, and I like that they twist tied it so that it's good, the cord there. It's kind of flimsy. The C button, it's analog. This is all attached to the wire. And then for buttons wise, we got a very easy to take off Z button. And these 2 things come off here. Set those to the side. And then we can take the middle one off and dump these out. So that's the shell. So these are your buttons, I guess. D-pad. This almost looks exactly like a, I think it was the classic controller D-pad. So now we're just going to reassemble it. It's pretty easy. First thing you want to do is put in the D-pad. It goes in anyway, I guess. Doesn't look like it's specific. Nope, just goes in any way you want. The B button goes here. The A button, the giant button, goes right here. The X button goes here. And the Y button goes right there. And the start button isn't really that special. The Z button goes in just like this, on a little hinge looking thing. Sorry if you can't see this, it's just yeah, there you go. There it's in. Just make sure it works. There you go. Now you want to put all these back on, because without these the buttons don't work. Alright, all the buttons are on there. Now you want to take this motherboard, put it in there, get everything straightened out here. Oh, that's as far as it goes, okay. Make sure the rumble pack is in, obviously, because then your whole controller is going to be shaking, and that's no fun. The wire just pushes right back in here. That's weird, there's no Phillips in here. Most Nintendo controllers and systems have Phillips too, but whatever. I just want to put this back on there. I don't know if they're always much of a pain in the ass to get on. Things are lined up. Actually, I have no clue what's up right now. Why this isn't working. See, this is why I say that I am not responsible for you damaging your controller, because I don't even know if mine's gonna survive now. I'm gonna quickly do this off camera because this is gonna be way too long if I don't. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I found out the secret to this controller when you're putting it back together. You have to just, like, when you're putting in the screws, you squeeze really hard when the screw's in, and then you would screw it in, and then you just gotta keep pushing it together because there's some like spring-loaded thing in there that keeps pushing it out. So there's probably an actual way you can do it, but that's how I figured out how to do it. But all my buttons still work. Just fine. So that's how to disassemble and reassemble a GameCube controller. If you enjoyed the video, please like and favorite, and make sure to comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.